So how do you attract a lady without saying a word? These are my few psychological tips you should take note of. Firstly, deliberately join a department at work, in school, or in church. With that, you are now glaring within her visual scope. She gets sensitized easily with how you look or appear or behave or even what you know. Your effort to impress her will be effective because there are times some guys try to impress a lady from afar, thinking they are winning her heart, and meanwhile she sees nothing, she's just going on with her life. Number 2, dress really distinctly, man. Have a fresh breath and smell good. Get what I'm saying? Just give attention to how you appear. Ladies can't help but get attracted to someone looking sweet or lovely. Don't be deceived that she only falls for intellect. Your inappropriate dressing can get you disqualified automatically. Number 3, contribute to matters in that department that you joined and calmly show your intellect. In a heart, you can be like, oh, that's cool. It's not too bad. Number 4, use eye contact and always smile. With that, you get her to swiftly admire you. And that also proves that you can be friendly. Eye contact like, not a naughty one though. Number 5, use appropriate body language. Your walking step, the way you make gestures while you talk should show some high level of confidence. Get what I'm saying? I'm very sure these few tips will definitely get you attracted to her. Thanks so much for watching this episode of FLASHWIRED Illuminates. Punch the like button if you like this video. Stay healthy and remain FLASHWIRED. And then I'll see you in my next video.